The qualities of people who like to be alone. Solitude often gets a bad rap, seen as the realm of loners or the antisocial. Yet those who relish their alone time embody qualities that are not only admirable but deeply transformative. Far from being a sign of withdrawal, a preference for solitude reflects a journey inward that fosters remarkable personal growth and insight. Let's delve into the qualities that make solitude seekers truly stand out, illuminating the rich inner life that enables them to engage with the world in uniquely profound ways. Self-awareness. People who cherish their alone time often possess a profound level of self-awareness. They're introspective by nature, constantly diving deep into the pool of their own thoughts and emotions. This isn't just about understanding personal likes or dislikes, but reaching a level of insight that guides their life choices and relationships. Imagine someone who chooses solitude over social outings, not because they dislike people, but because they recognize the need for quiet reflection to recharge and stay true to themselves. They're the type who might have a journal filled with reflections on personal growth, dreams, and fears. Their self-awareness enables them to navigate life with a sense of purpose and understanding that many might not grasp. They're the ones who, when faced with life's crossroads, can make decisions aligned with their deepest values, thanks to the countless hours spent in contemplation. Independence. Individuals who enjoy solitude exhibit a striking level of independence. This isn't just about physical or financial independence, but also emotional and intellectual autonomy. They find joy and satisfaction in their own company and are capable of entertaining themselves, making decisions, and solving problems without needing constant input or approval from others. Picture someone who plans a solo adventure to a foreign country, navigating unknown streets, making their itinerary, and overcoming obstacles without leaning on someone else. This experience isn't just a journey through different lands, but a testament to their ability to rely on themselves, facing challenges head-on with confidence and resilience. Their independence is empowering. It's a reminder that while companionship is beautiful, the ability to stand alone is invaluable. They are the architects of their happiness, building a life that's fulfilling without depending on others to lay the bricks. Creativity. Solitude can be a sanctuary for creativity. In the quiet, away from the cacophony of daily life, creative thoughts flourish. People who seek out alone time often find that it's in these moments of solitude that their best ideas come to the fore. Whether they're artists, writers, musicians, or thinkers, the silence becomes a canvas for their imagination. Consider an individual who sets aside time to retreat into their creative bubble. Maybe a cozy corner of their home filled with sketches, instruments, or any tool of their trade. Here, without distractions, they're free to explore the depths of their imagination, experimenting with ideas and crafting works that might one day touch the hearts and minds of others. This creative process is deeply personal and requires a level of solitude that only those who thrive in their own company can truly appreciate. It's a dance with the muses, performed best in the quiet. Problem-solving skills. The quiet of solitude is an ideal setting for untangling complex problems. People who relish alone time often excel at deep thinking and problem-solving. Without the noise of external opinions or distractions, they can focus intently on the issue at hand, exploring solutions from various angles. Picture someone faced with a difficult decision or a challenging project. Alone, perhaps on a long walk or in a quiet room, they weigh their options, consider the consequences, and devise a plan of action. This solitude acts as a catalyst for creativity and critical thinking, allowing them to come up with innovative solutions that might not have surfaced in a group setting. Their ability to solve problems is not just about logic or intelligence. It's about creating the space to think deeply, to connect dots that aren't obviously related, and to trust in their intuition and judgment. Appreciation for simple pleasures. Those who enjoy spending time alone often have a heightened appreciation for the simple pleasures in life. Without the constant need for entertainment or social interaction, they find joy in the quiet moments that others might overlook. A sunrise, the sound of rain on the roof, the aroma of a freshly brewed cup of coffee. These simple experiences can provide immense satisfaction and a sense of contentment. Imagine someone who chooses to spend an afternoon alone, perhaps reading a book by the window or taking a leisurely walk through the park. For them, these moments are not mundane. They're a source of happiness and peace. This appreciation for the little things fosters a mindful way of living, where every day holds something to be grateful for, and happiness isn't contingent on grand gestures or external achievements. High levels of empathy. Interestingly, spending time alone can enhance one's capacity for empathy. This might seem paradoxical, but solitude allows for introspection and a deeper exploration of one's emotions, which can lead to a greater understanding and sensitivity towards the feelings of others. Individuals who spend significant time in reflection are often able to put themselves in another's shoes with remarkable ease. Consider a person who, after a period of solitude, rejoins their friends or family. They bring with them not just their presence, but an increased ability to listen, understand, and connect on a deeper level. This empathy is not just about feeling for someone, it's about truly understanding them, a skill honed in the quiet moments of self-reflection. It's a bridge built from the depths of their solitude, extending outwards to others, making them adept at navigating relationships with kindness and compassion. Mindfulness. Solitude and mindfulness go hand in hand. People who enjoy their own company often develop a keen ability to live in the present moment, without the distractions of constant social interaction or digital media. They're more attuned to the here and now, finding beauty and peace in the current moment. This mindfulness can transform everyday experiences, making even the most routine activities feel new and meaningful. Imagine someone who enjoys alone time, perhaps practicing yoga or meditation, or simply sitting quietly and observing their surroundings. For them, mindfulness is not just a practice but a way of life, enabling them to experience life more fully, with a sense of clarity and calm that comes from being deeply rooted in the present. Self-sufficiency. The love for solitude fosters a strong sense of self-sufficiency. People who are comfortable being alone don't depend on others for their happiness or fulfillment. They're capable of entertaining themselves, finding solutions to their problems, and making decisions independently. This self-sufficiency is empowering. It means being your own best company, confident in your abilities to navigate life's journey solo. Imagine planning and executing a solo project from start to finish, relying solely on your skills, creativity, and determination. This process, while challenging, reinforces the belief in one's abilities and the knowledge that, while companionship is valuable, you are enough on your own. Patience. Finally, individuals who cherish their alone time often exhibit a remarkable degree of patience. Solitude teaches them that not everything needs to happen immediately, and that some of the best things in life require time to unfold. This patience is applied not just to external circumstances, but to personal growth and relationships. They understand that rushing can lead to mistakes and missed opportunities, so they move at a pace that allows for thoughtful decision-making and appreciation of the journey. Imagine someone who, instead of seeking quick fixes, takes the time to learn a new skill, understanding that mastery comes with practice and patience. This approach to life, grounded in the quiet strength developed in solitude, allows them to navigate the world with a calm and steady hand, knowing that patience truly is a virtue. In conclusion, the qualities that define individuals who enjoy spending time alone are both varied and deeply enriching. From the self-awareness that comes with introspective solitude to the creative sparks ignited in quiet moments, from the emotional resilience built through facing one's feelings to the problem-solving skills honed without external distractions, these individuals find joy in the simple pleasures of life, cultivate deep empathy through reflection, live mindfully in the present, and demonstrate a remarkable level of self-sufficiency and patience. The beauty of these qualities lies not just in how they benefit the individual, but also in how they enrich the lives of those around them. The depth of understanding, the creative outputs, and the calm steadiness they bring into their relationships and endeavors add a unique value to their communities and society at large. Embracing solitude, therefore, is not about withdrawing from the world, but about enriching one's inner life in a way that enhances one's engagement with the outer world. The insights and strengths developed in solitude enable individuals to live more fully, connect more deeply, and contribute more meaningfully. So, the next time you find yourself alone, remember that this time is not just a pause from the noise of life, but a profound opportunity to delve into the depths of your being, discovering treasures that can illuminate your path and the paths of those you touch.